Right, boys, we're looking at some juicy dead channels today. I think I'm gonna start a new series called Dead Channels. It's gonna be a series of me looking at channels that should be dead or terminated, if you want to put it like that. And this is episode 1, so if we can hit smashing 10 likes, then I'll make episode 2 next. I think it's gonna be around every Saturday. I'll do one. But the first episode goes to a special man. He was recently kind of in the news, like around a month ago. So I mean, it is what it is, and it's touch the light. Oh yeah. So touch the light is a guy who does clickbait. Most of these channels in the series and these will be clickbait. He was in the news. I think he was in some broadcast news anyways. I know he was really big on social media. But he clickbaited playing Fortnite with 13-year-old sister. You can do that. 1 kill equals 1 strip. I'm not sure that's allowed. I'm pretty sure that's illegal to show child nudity. Let me try and get the thumbnail. Oh boys, here's the thumbnail, the original thumbnail. It's a bit weird. Why? I really don't know. Look at his face. He looks really excited. By the way, the girl is not 13. If anyone doesn't know it, she's 17. And I've actually seen this girl's YouTube channel before. I think it's called Millie. Incorrect. No, wrong thing. That's totally Millie. Okay, whatever. So we'll get right into details with this guy. Now you're probably thinking, well, after that guy got so much drama, he's gonna delete all the other clickbait videos. But boys, he hasn't. As we can see here, 1.4 million views. Calling the Cash Me Outside girl with her in her bra. Then we got trying drugs I bought from eBay. I think that's illegal. You got some emojis up in here with reading people's suicide notes. Okay. Truth or Dare with girlfriend, but I swear that was his sister. Okay. Alfie Day's cheating on Zoella. Okay. And my morning routine, him in underwear. Right. And his most popular one is reading my brother's suicide note. I saw the part of the video, and he was joking about a couple of things, and some of these clickbaits, I swear to God, please don't judge me for this. So I'm assuming it looks like he was trying to beat her up. We got this video, which is his apology video. I watched till the end. Let's watch a bit of it.
22 or some shit, and the other one's like 25. I don't even know how old they are. A lot of stuff happened. I mean,
right.
I went kind of viral on Twitter last
night.
He
did.
A lot of famous YouTubers and people, like legit PewDiePie, mentioned me. Like, he literally replied to one of the tweets I was in, that kind of stuff. Like, it got kind of deep. I'm going through some shit now. Like, I'm getting a lot of hate.
Right,
and I just want to make a video to basically apologize.
Oh, so he's gonna say sorry. Okay, at least he's gonna say sorry.
Everything I've done. I'm not this weird person that everyone thinks I am. I'm literally just a boy talking to my camera, trying to make a few clickbait videos,
Few. We got the top ones here. We got 1. We got 2. We got 3. I'm assuming that's 4. We got 5. Let's see. Have we got any more? Is there any more stupid ones? We got 6. I'm assuming. This one. I think that's 7. If not, that shouldn't really be a story time. Okay. 8. That's clickbait, obviously. Any more? Can we even find any more? No one that will have literally so many. 9. Yeah. Okay. 10. That's probably clickbait. Knowing it that. 11, now he has a boyfriend, okay. 12, he's coming out in 9 months, but 4 months ago he had a girlfriend. Okay, I don't really understand that. Let's carry on, I guess.
Get my name out there. My name's kinda out there now.
Yeah, you think?
Probably not for a good reason.
No,
So
obviously
bad
not.
for people that are so triggered by what I've done. Like the amount of YouTubers that are like tweeting about me, trying to get my channel removed. Like I don't.
Well, yes, you put the thumbnail of your sister who's underage, naked. These videos aren't supposed to be like fun. It's okay.
Blame you, like fair enough. But I'm not a bad person. I honestly don't know what to say. I've never been through something like this before. I've never had so many people talking about me on Twitter. Do you know what I mean? My humor.
No, and I feel like people should have been talking about you before this video, because some of this clickbait. This girl is like 14, you know, and you got her in a bra. I don't think that's the same girl. I'm not even sure. You filmed kids kissing, so it's insane. Right, we're doing some back. Another day. Psych got your ass. It was only like 10 minutes. I had to go do something. I'm back. Let's carry on with this guy.
It's so messed up to the point where I didn't know when to stop. Like I literally don't have any limits to clickbait. Clearly.
Yeah, you think that I just pointed out like literally 10 videos. This guy's kind of boring me with his apology video, so I'm just gonna wait until yes, I'm just gonna eat this popsicle in America. What you call them? We call them here lollipops. So
As you saw, I do regret what I've done, and I do feel super bad. My humor's messed up, and I know some people are gonna be like, "That's not humor. That's genuinely messed up. Like that's pedophilia, this kind of stuff." Honestly, true, but I'm not. Like,
yeah, you think?
involved. That's really, really weird. I just wanted to make a clickbait video. I really didn't expect it to blow up as quick as it did. I want to get a back, even though I basically done as they are doing content. You know what I mean? Clearly about like what I was doing. Really, I'm so sorry to anyone I've offended. I'm on YouTube to be kind of a troll, but I genuinely, it wasn't Charlie have messed up so badly. And please mention it. It's just so, leave a comment like something about here and say that it's just annoying. This would blow up and go, you know what I mean? Like I'm here now, apology, and I'm speaking in the world. I'm just what I mean. Like I'm genuinely sorry about it, and I'm gonna stop saying sorry because I sound so annoying. So I'm gonna go now. I don't really know. I'm just going. I just wanted to get like my point across.
Same. So what we've learnt here today. Never clickbait, kids. I've done it once. Yeah. Clickbait can get to a certain type. There's clickbait where it's like prank calling people. And then there's clickbait such as one kill equals one straight with my 13-year-old sister. And it's it gets to a point where it's like, why has YouTube not got rid of this guy yet? I don't know if it's in this. I tried to look. One point he goes, "I'm sorry. I'm sorry for breathing." I think he's being sarcastic there. I think it might have been a new video. So yeah, it is what it is. I mean, the guy just his apologies doesn't really work. Like if he was sorry, why doesn't he just get rid of them? Okay, so what? You'd lose 30 million views. Those 400,000 views are probably just him doing Q&As, no, not something like that. But look at this now. He's done it now. What's this? My stalker forced me to drink bleach. Drinking my pee for a week. I mean, this clickbait. Saffron Baker. I don't know who that is. How is that tragic? Someone blocked you. So what? Just these clickbait channels. YouTube. You need to stop them. They're really bad. They're so bad. Anyways, out of 10. I'd rate this guy what for bad. I'd rate this guy 9. I mean, at least he didn't like clickbait something about like Holocaust. Oh wait, he did. You just go to an abandoned and then concentration camp. Fact, I've actually been to that concentration camp. And no, there isn't a person standing there if anyone's wondering. clickbait. So now I'll give it a 10. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the first ever episode of Dead Channels. And hopefully see you guys next Saturday. I've got this person in mind. 10 likes would be really appreciated, and catch you guys later. Bye.